So my truck has broke something in the rear drum, and now the drum is locking up. So we're gonna go see if we can fix that today, and hopefully it's not something too expensive. My dust covered jack from doing sanding in here. Doing this on gravel is not ideal. Alright, tires are off the ground. We're chilling. That's not fun. Got that teetering a little bit more than it needs to be, but once I get jack stands under there, I can lower that anyway, so. Best thing about a lifted truck, you don't have to lift it up much. You get jacks under it. Like, these are special lug nuts. They take a special lug nut socket. You gotta put on the end of it like this. It's a little ridiculous, but you know what you gotta do. Okay, now the axle's gotta come out. It took me forever to find my little bearing removal tool, but I got that loosened up. This truck has honestly got to have the most annoying brakes on the planet. Just to be able to get to the brakes, you got to take the whole rear axle apart pretty much just to get to it. But we're almost there. Hopefully this comes off easy. Like I said, I replaced these last year, so that's a new hub. They're all new pads. As long as the spring braking inside of it didn't bind anything up, which my wheel still float or rotates like it should. I just drove it down the. Ew, this bearing's got some chunks. There's some chunks missing from it. That's not good. That ain't good. It don't look too hot. I hope we ain't got no catastrophic issues in here. That would suck. Trying to get this bearing to fall out. Well, that looks good. Well, that's nice. Now let's take this drum off. Oh, is that the easiest drum you guys have ever seen come off? That actually came off really easy. This emergency brake spring is completely out of where it's supposed to be. To be fair, my emergency brake has actually never worked. We don't ever hook up an emergency brake on these trucks because when you do, that's when you're gonna have issues. Oh shit, I just dumped grease all over my dad's impact. He's gonna be mad. I don't really see. I was thinking it was messed up at first, but it was just this emergency brake was hanging back, but I don't really see an issue with it. sound anymore. She's alive. She lives. I don't know if I'll end up uploading this or not, because really there was nothing wrong with it, so I didn't get to show anything being done to it, really, but, you know, maybe I will. I know people love seeing this truck anyway, so might just upload it for the heck of it, but for now, she's good. The Highboy lives on.